What's going on, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a 2016 Harley Davidson Dyna Switchback. This is one of our bargain bike specials, so we're gonna sell it as is. We test rode it and got it cleaned up, made sure it passed the Texas State inspection. Went ahead and changed the engine oil and serviced the air filter on this bike. I like the Switchback a lot. It's got the look of a miniature road king. You got the hard lockable saddlebags, paint matched. Headlight looks pretty similar. I like the 5-spoke wheels on it. Black inner spokes, aluminum lip. It does have the docking hardware. If you want to get a quick detach windshield, you can. It's got the 103-inch fuel-injected V-twin, 6-speed transmission. Switchback comes with a 2-in-1 chrome exhaust, and I believe possibly the baffle's been removed from it because it doesn't sound stock. It's got a little bass to it. Switchback also has floorboards. Of course, you got the adjustable shocks back here. 2-up seat, pretty comfortable. Nice thick pad for the passenger. Tires are in pretty good shape. They got a lot of usable tread. So this bike's got a few little blemishes here and there. The biggest one's on the rear fender. I'll point it out to you. It's got a small little nick in the paint on the front fender. All the chrome looks pretty good. Bike runs great. It's got a little chip right there on the saddlebag. Gas tank's in good shape. Got a small rub mark right there on the bottom side of that saddlebag. And the biggest cosmetic thing is a crease right here in the rear fender. It's a little crease, maybe 2 inches long. There's a little rub mark in it. Other than that, it's a good bargain bike special. Again, it runs real good. Good tire on the rear. Does have ABS brakes, and it's only got 3,470 miles. If you'd like to know more about this 16 Switchback, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. I got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also check out the rest of our inventory. And we got a lot of bikes out here today. We do offer financing and warranties. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.